Day 14. Family Storytelling Session. Welcome to Day 14 of the Screen-Free Family Challenge. Today, we're diving into the magical world of storytelling with a family storytelling session. Here's how to make it a fun and engaging experience for everyone. Set the scene, cozy setup. Gather in a comfortable spot in your home. Light the living room or a bedroom. Dim the lights and add some blankets and pillows to create a cozy atmosphere. Story props. Collect some props like hats, scarves, or stuffed animals to use as characters or setting elements in your stories. How to play. Take turns. Each family member takes a turn being the storyteller. They can make up a story, retell a favorite, or continue a story where the last person left off. Interactive elements. Encourage everyone to add sound effects, voices for characters, or even act out parts of the story. Capture the fun. Record the session. Use your phone to record the storytelling session. These videos will be cherished memories and can be shared with others. Share with the community. Post your videos on social media with the hashtags #ScreenFreeFamilyChallenge, #FamilyStorytelling, and #CreativeFamilyFun. Join the challenge, gather your family, let your imagination soar, and enjoy a night of storytelling. Let's create magical moments together. Happy storytelling!